Select the one sentence that best meets the requirements of standard written English. A. The part of the company whom brings new flavors to the market is the research and development department. Who and whom are used when referring to people. As the research and development department is not a person, we can mark this choice off. B. The research and development department is the part of the company that brings new flavors to the market. Although it switches around the order of the sentence, this choice is saying the same thing as choice A with one major difference. It uses that instead of whom, which in this case is correct. Again, as the research and development department isn't a person, that would be correct in this context. As there are no errors in this sentence, this is likely our final answer, but we can take a look at the other choices just to be sure. C. The part of the company who brings new flavors to the market is the research and development department. This time, we see the department referred to as who. Like whom, this simply isn't appropriate in our context as we're not referring to a person, and we can mark this choice as incorrect. And D, the research and development department is the part of the company which brings new flavors to the market. This choice is identical to choice B, but uses which instead of that, which is correct. In short, that is used when the relative clause is defining, and which is used when the relative clause is undefining. Let's unpack that. In the sentence, the house, which we bought yesterday, is old, we can remove the phrase, which we bought yesterday, and still have an understandable sentence. The house is old, which is what the speaker is trying to convey. On the other hand, that is usually used with a defining clause, or a clause that can't be removed without sacrificing the meaning of the sentence. It helps specify what exactly the speaker is talking about. In the sentence, the house that we bought yesterday is old, we're talking specifically about the house bought yesterday and not a month ago or a year ago. Removing that we bought yesterday removes the clarity and point of the sentence. Heading back to our example, we can see that our sentence is explaining what it is the research and development department does. The phrase brings new flavors to the market isn't just there to add more meat to the sentence, it's the essential point the sentence is trying to convey. From here, we can see that it's a defining relative clause, and as such, that is an order here. With this in mind, we can mark this choice as incorrect and mark choice B as our final answer.